Hi, Roadies.
Hi, ladies.
Lee and Summer here for another Foodie Friday review. This place is called Scaddy's, but before we get into that, just wanted to let you know about yesterday's 5.7 earthquake that Utah had in the Salt Lake Valley. It was at 7:10 in the morning, and it woke me straight up out of bed. And for just a split second in my groggy state, I actually thought someone was trying to steal our trailer with Summer and I still in it, and that kind of freaked me out. But when I looked out the window, we were still standing still but rocking quite a bit. And what did Summer do? She slept through the whole thing. She didn't even hear it or feel it at all. And me, I was kind of freaked out. Lasted just a few seconds, but then the rest of the day, they say we had about 60 aftershocks, but I only felt one at about 1 o'clock or so. But they said there was several throughout the whole day. And so, but we are doing fine. We didn't have any damage. Most of the damage was about 15 miles west of us in Magna. We are in Sandy, so we didn't even lose any power or anything either. It just shook us quite a bit. That woke me up. It was quite a wild ride, but we are okay. So on to the review. The place is called Scaddy's. Never heard of it before. Scaddys. And the food was all right. It had an eclectic menu. You could get everything from a bowl of chili to Philly cheesesteak sandwiches to fish and chips to regular old hamburgers and salads. And so it was our first time there, and it was all right. However, for just the three of us, it was over $30, and that's for fast food. We don't even like to pay that much at a sit-down place. So we probably won't be going there again unless Wally decides he really wanted to try the Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, because they were huge. They were about 15 inches long, and they were stacked pretty high, and they were about $15. So he was thinking maybe it might be worth it to try that. And so who knows, maybe we'll go back and try it someday. But anyway, we'll show you some pictures, and we'll just let you decide what you think of what it looks like. Wally liked what he had, and mine was pretty good. And
I like mine.
Yeah, and Summer liked hers. However, like I said, the price was just kind of high for fast food. So, I guess we'll just see you next time. Be safe out there, and hope you're staying well. Goodbye. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Summer, did you like your chicken fingers and fries today?
Yeah.
You did? Well, what did you think? Thumbs up? Okay. Papa, you had the pastrami on rye. What did you think?
It's good.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Especially the horseradish sauce that was on it?
I didn't mind it at all.
Okay. And as you can see, my plate, I scarfed that burger right down. It was a bacon cheeseburger, and it was good. However, we paid $30 for these 3 meals. I'm not impressed with the price at all.